In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Qdoba on Uber Eats. By the end, you will have a complete order ready for delivery. First, open the Uber Eats app on your phone. On both Android and iPhone, the icon is black and green with the word Uber. When it opens, you should see the home screen with restaurants, search, and your account options near the bottom. Next, sign in and enter your delivery address. If you already have an account, log in with your usual details, then type the address where you want the food delivered. Make sure the street, city, and any apartment or unit number are correct, since Uber Eats will use this to find Qdoba locations near you. Once the address is set, the app refreshes to show restaurants that can deliver there. Now tap Search near the bottom or top of the screen. The search bar will appear, usually with a blinking cursor and a keyboard popping up. This tells you the app is ready for you to type in what you want. In the search bar, search for Qdoba. Spell it Qdoba, then look at the results that appear under the bar. You should see Qdoba Mexican Eats as a restaurant option, sometimes with different locations listed depending on your city. From there, select the Qdoba location that delivers to you. Tap the option that shows an estimated delivery time for your address, usually with a distance and rating. Once you select it, you will see the Qdoba menu screen with categories like burritos, bowls, tacos, and sides listed vertically. Now browse the menu. Scroll up and down to see different sections and items, and tap a category to jump right to it. Each item usually shows a short description and price so you can compare choices without opening every option. Next up, choose your food and customize it, such as your entree, protein, toppings, and sides. When you tap an item, a detail screen opens with choices like chicken, steak, or vegetarian, plus options for salsa, cheese, and extras. Many beginners miss that you can scroll in this window too, so slide down to see every topping and side choice before you continue. The price updates automatically when you add paid extras. Once your item looks how you like it, tap Add to Cart. The app will close the item details and you will usually see a small confirmation at the bottom or an updated cart icon showing how many items you have. After that, tap View Cart or Checkout. This button often appears at the bottom of the screen with your current total. Tapping it opens a summary page listing each Qdoba item, the quantities, and the delivery details. On the cart page, review your order, delivery address, fees, and payment method. Make sure every entree is correct and double-check any notes or options you picked. Confirm that the delivery address is the place you actually want the food to arrive, and look at the delivery fee, taxes, and service fee so the total matches what you expect. Also check which card or payment option is selected so you know how you will be charged. If you have a promo code, add a promo code here. There will be a field or link to enter the code, and once you apply it, the total updates if the code is valid. Beginners sometimes forget to press apply, so watch for a new line showing the discount in your order summary. With everything ready, tap Place Order. The app sends your Qdoba order to the restaurant, and you will see an order tracking screen with an estimated arrival time and status updates. You just learned how to order Qdoba through Uber Eats from search to checkout, so if this helped you get your meal set, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more quick food ordering guides.